Okay. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Okay, you can see here, these are several cartons of the baby formulas. We have 567 cartons of these baby formulas, and right in one carton we have 48 pieces. 48 pieces of these baby formulas. This will be given to children from 0 to 12. Yeah, there's 48 bottles in it. So the total is over 40,000 pieces of these baby formulas we have right here in this carton. So you can see the bread. We have 1,500 pieces of bread that will be dispensed here today. And here we have 30 cartons of soup, and in each carton we have 100 bars of soup. So in total we have 3,000 bars of soup here to be given out today. We have 50 boxes of noodles that also will be given out today. And you can see the rice. We have 30 bags of rice. 30 bags of rice. Some are outside already that will also be given. We have 15 bags of millet. They are outside. And 5 bags of beans. We have bags of, look at, salt. We have over 30 bags of salt and sugars that have all been provided by our amiable big mother here to be given out to the people today. Remember, it was meant to be medical mission just for children. However, she said that these children will not come alone. Their parents will accompany them. So it will be okay for their parents to also have something to take back home. So you see, she thought of them. Instead of medical mission, we are now doing 2 missions, the medical mission and the mission of mercy. Thank you, Mommy.
Hallelujah. And one thing about the efficacy of this formula.
Yeah.
It is a magic formula
Magic.
to help the malnourished children.
Yes.
And you know what is going on in the country and with the hardship, and this formula within 3 weeks, if the child started taking this formula, you'll be surprised with the transformation.
I have a testimony here. One of our brother here that took from Gaki, his child has become fat.
I have lots of pictures, and so I think that you are doing something wonderful.
Yeah.
So malnourished children will be taken care of while parents are being given things. Thank you very much.
Give freedom for progress. Give freedom for success. Give freedom.
Maria.